Picture yourself in the 2018 Dodge Charger. This vehicle still has fewer than 40,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Charger's advanced design lets you tap into seriously savage performance when you want it and save fuel when you don't. With 4 doors, it's a family-friendly muscle car that's surprisingly versatile. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel the exhilaration of raw muscle car power in the Charger. Come in for a test drive.